The bare minimum you need to pay is $2,115. But wait, there's more. Hey guys, Puyan Darian here. I'm an immigration lawyer based out of New York, and today I'm going to be talking about the green card application filing fees. After April 1st, 2024, USCIS implemented a whole new fee structure when you're applying for adjustment of status in the United States. Adjustment of status is when you apply for a green card from within the US, not when you leave the US. And for example, if you're married to a US citizen and you entered with a tourist visa or a student visa or some sort of non-immigrant visa, and you want to apply for a green card, you would probably be filing a one-step adjustment of status. One step means that we're going to be filing the family petition and the green card application at the same time. A two-step would mean you file the family petition first, the I-130, you wait for it to get approved, and then you file the rest of the forms to become a permanent resident. If you're married to a US citizen and you entered with like a tourist or student visa or something like that, you can typically do it in one step. So what are the filing fees? Well, before April 1st, we only needed to pay the I-130 and the I-485 filing fee. And then other applications like the work permit and advanced parole were free when you file everything together. The total filing fee back then for all the forms was $1,760, but they have dramatically increased. So right now, if you're gonna do it as a one step, the I-130 filing fee is $675 because you have to file the paper version of it if you're doing it as a one-step adjustment. And then you have to pay $1,440 for the green card application. So right there, the bare minimum you need to pay is $2,115. But wait, there's more. If you want to apply for employment authorization simultaneously so that you get a work permit and social security card while your application is pending, you also have to pay an additional $260. And finally, if you plan on traveling or you would like to submit an application for a travel document, also referred to as advanced parole, you would also need to pay an additional $630. I generally don't think it's worth it to apply for advanced parole in this situation just because of the cost and because it takes a really long time sometimes for the advanced parole document to be issued. It might not even get approved before your green card is approved, so it might just be a waste of money. But if you really need the ability to travel and you understand that it might not be approved in time, but you're willing to take that risk and $630 is nothing to you, then you would pay that as well. So when you add all of these up, the total is $3,005, and that is just the government application fee. There's actually two more forms in addition to the family petition, the green card, the work permit, and advanced parole. You also have to submit a medical exam, which has no filing fee, but you do have to pay the doctor like $400 to $600 from what I've heard in recent times for the medical exam. And there's an affidavit of support form, which still carries zero filing fee. So $3,005 if you also want to include the work permit and advanced parole applications. All right, guys, I just wanted to make a short video updating you on what the filing fees are after April 1st, 2024. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. I answer all of the comments for 1 week after a video posts. After 1 week, if you have a question, find my latest video and post your comment there, and I'll be sure to respond. If you're new to my channel, I make videos on a weekly basis, and I make them about green card applications, family petitions, naturalization, and sometimes I also include some deportation defense stuff in there as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week for another one.